Hi, in front of me is Oppo A54 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply colorful animated edges on this device. Firstly, you need to open Play Store, tap on the search bar and type edges. Then download this app from this developer. Now open it. Click on this theme. Name it and tap OK Creative. Then close an ad. And over here you can customize your edges however you want to. You can change round style, add one of the patterns, change animation speed, border size, adjust them to your notch and many other things. When you're done, you have to click on one of these sources like photos in order to choose your wallpaper. Then click on the photo that you want to set up, adjust it and tap at the top right corner. Then choose create and tap on the theme that you created. Choose enable wallpaper, click on set as and decide if you want to see those edges on home screen or on home screen and lock screen by clicking on one of the options. So now as you can see, I can see my edges on my display. But if you wish to see them when you use apps, you can go back into the Edges app, this time choose Home over here, scroll all the way down and tap on the switcher next to Enable Overlay Other app. From here you need to tap Yes, click on the switcher next to Edges app, go back and tap on the same switcher. As you can see, now I can see my edges even when I use apps. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!